Salesforce is in advanced talks to buy Slack, and as a result of the news, Salesforce.com stock CRM dropped, while Slack stock work skyrocketed. Now the question is, should you buy Salesforce stock, or should you buy Slack stock, or should you sell them, or should you just stay away from the whole thing until the hype goes away? You got questions and I got answers. This is going to be a quick video, so if you like quickies, give this video a thumbs up to help me with the YouTube algorithm, and let's dance our way to the intro! Divas and Divos, I'm Kiana, Danial, a four-time and a newly best-selling author and the founder of the Invest Diva movement, the march to jump on to take control of your financial future and to make your money work for you. My mission is to help 1 million moms start investing on their own by the year 2025. So if you are a mom and or if you know of other moms who could benefit from taking control of their financial future, you know what to do. Please spread the word and help us make this huge impact. The best place to start is my free training. The link is down in the description area or in my bio on Instagram. Salesforce is the cloud software company obsessed with customer relationship management, CRM. Slack is the office messaging app that rules your life. Now that it has a new suitor lining up asking to put a ring on it, of course, Slack's stock price skyrocketed because this is America and people like popular things, and most investors jump on the hype. Investors then dumped their Salesforce stock on the possibility of another pricey acquisition. Over its 21-year history, Salesforce has bought over 60 companies. So basically, Salesforce is the equivalent of an Amazon shopaholic on Black Friday. The majority of investors turned their CRM position to either bearish or neutral on Monday. Now, while the market sentiment has turned bearish simply on the news that Salesforce might buy Slack, talk about speculations, right? This doesn't mean that the company's value and growth potential has just magically disappeared. In fact, Salesforce still remains strong among its competitors, has a wide economic moat, maintains its positive earnings per share, and has an over $223 billion market cap. So this company isn't going anywhere. Even if they are being a little bit careless with spending, in my opinion, a Slack acquisition wouldn't be a cost. It will be an investment that would give Salesforce over 130,000 paying Slack customers, which could in return pay for the investment time and time again in the future. But I'm happy that Wall Street traders are dumping CRM stocks on the news. I say dump it more. All the big hedge funds, please dump all of your shares so I can buy more CRM at a lower price. Speaking of setting buy limit orders to buy CRM stock at a lower price, let's take a look at the chart to discover the key psychological levels the Salesforce.com stock could dip towards. Looking at the chart, we notice that the bearish pressure actually slowed down on Monday and the stock price formed a doji candlestick pattern, meaning now the majority of traders are neutral as opposed to full-on bearish. The future daily Ichimoku cloud is also flat, and the future cloud is actually kind of bullish. Meanwhile, their earnings is today, so we could expect more volatility. I actually analyzed CRM for our premium investing group or PIG members last week before this whole Slack shenanigans began. And as you can see, I set a buy limit order at 235 last week, which was fulfilled on Monday, so yay for me! And of course, if you'd like to get in the PIG to get my strategies and get your questions answered, I have a link for you down below. If the bearish momentum continues today after the earnings, we could expect this level to be revisited today. Based on Fibonacci analysis, I've also set 221 and 206 as the next key psychological levels that can be revisited should the markets get volatile again. I already have a bunch of CRM stock in my portfolio, so I'm not really sweating to buy, and I'm long-term bullish on the stock, which means if I didn't have any of it in my portfolio, I probably would start buying at the current market price. As for the Slack stock, right now it's way too hyped up for me, so I'd wait for the hype and FOMO to dial down a little bit before I buy more of it. Now I'd like to hear from you. Which one would you prefer to have on your portfolio? Salesforce stock or Slack stock? Will you buy now or wait a little bit? Let the hot discussion begin below in the comment section. If you like this video, don't be shy. Go ahead and smash that like button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Select the bell notification button. You know, all the good stuff that can help me with the YouTube algorithm. Thanks, bye!